Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Hannah Wallace and we're here in Toronto for Sibos 2017. Joining me is Thomas Zeeb from SIX, and we're going to be talking about the future post-trade landscape. Thomas, thank you for speaking with me today.
My pleasure.
So first of all, do you think Brexit will spur on the involvement of a capital markets union?
I think the Capital Markets Union is an important milestone for Europe. I think it will be beneficial. I'm not convinced that Brexit, in whatever form it ultimately comes, will accelerate that. And the reason for that is simply because our business is already so global. Capital flows across borders irrespective of whether there's a Brexit or not, and it will flow to where it's properly compensated or where it's required.
And from your point of view, what do you think the future post-trade landscape could look like?
I think we're going to see a much closer cooperation and collaboration between infrastructures and the stakeholders and clients of those infrastructures. And I think we'll start to see much more a sort of vertical collaboration as opposed to what has traditionally been aspired to, which is either through acquisition or other consolidation, a horizontal collaboration. We've seen that that doesn't really work. So and I think the only way we're going to see significant gains, both in terms of efficiency as well as service offerings, is to work much more closely with our clients and redefine our services in that context.
And finally, do you think a greater scale would be the key solution to all pressures?
I think scale has been something we've been chasing for the last 40-odd years. In an environment where we've got high fixed costs and a lot of additional, what I would call non-productive investments that we have to make, whether it's for risk, whether it's for compliance. These are all issues that don't produce any revenue. So the way we've dealt with that is to add additional volume to platforms, get more scale, reduce the unit cost. I think going forward that is going to become significantly more difficult for a variety of reasons. There's a lot more netting going on, there's a lot more clients consolidating their flows, and I think our challenge now is to ensure that we find ways to continue to be profitable enough to reinvest in the business without always increasing volumes. And that may be something that we can do with new technologies, but it may also be something we do just by changing the way our business models work.
Thank you, that's very insightful, and thank you for taking the time to speak with me today.
Pleasure.
And thank you for watching.